This is at the way top of St. Paul's Cathedral.
That's the exit.
From here you can even see you can see it. Where is it? Can you see the London Eye there? Yep. This is way up high. This is madness. I seriously cannot believe I have climbed so high. And guess what? I have a fear of heights. But this is way beautiful. Look how high I am. Okay, this is like super high. My legs are like really shivering now because it's cold. The weight of my effort, you better be.